Yeah, I wish I could roll back time to that old Silk Road. I wanna hold till I can't no more. I'm gonna add crypto to my portfolio. I wanna hold till I can't no more. I got my crypto coming back soon. I'm back in the black too. Suck here in the bag. Now I'm feeling like a tycoon. Riding on a Lambo. You can live with FOMO. I've been through the dips. When it's low, I was buying more. Now I got my money on the blockchain. Hodl gang, hodl gang, hodl gang. Can't nobody stop my campaign. Hodl gang, hodl gang, hodl gang. I'ma buy some Bitcoin, hold it like the big boys. Ride it to the moon on my Lambo or my Rolls Royce. Now I got these altcoins, they don't make the big noise, but they make the big rips. Call me crypto cowboy. Now I got my money on the blockchain. Hodl gang, hodl gang, hodl gang. Can't nobody stop my campaign. Hodl gang, hodl gang, hodl gang. Yeah, wish I could roll back time to that old Silk Road. I wanna hold till I can't no more. I'm gonna add crypto to my portfolio. I wanna hold till I can't no more. Backyard garage, solar powered area. Spent a lot of money trying to mine that Ethereum. Boy, I got a habit, I'ma bounce right back. And I'm addicted, I become a crypto maniac. You see, I got no stocks and I got no gold. I'm all in, all I do is I buy crypto. Wish I could roll back time to that old Silk Road. I wanna hold till I can't no more. Wish I could roll back time to that old Silk Road. I wanna hold till I can't no more. I'm gonna add crypto to my portfolio. I wanna hold till I can't no more.
Oh, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Daily Grind. I'm your host, Chump Change. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. Honestly, Rud Put sent that to me yesterday, or he sent me a different video that guy made, and I found that one. I was like, dude, this song's great. I have to play it. I don't even care if I get demonetized. It's fine. All right, go check him out. I'll leave a link down in the description below. That was the best music video I've seen in quite a while. Since like back in the day, MTV stuff, you know. All the new stuff is just ruined, but either way, this is live and recorded. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask in the chat. Good morning, Geek of All Trades. Cobra, what's up, buddy? Yellowstone Mining. We have Dan Ruggs, Crypto Bedell. What's up, buddy? Yeah, so it's in the description. I'll actually, you know what? I'll share the link to that video right now so you guys can see it. Dude, this guy, that was such a good song. Have to admit, that was such a good song. And fun fact about that video, when he's talking about mining Ethereum in his solar powered shed, that's what his dad was doing. And he was rapping about it. It's pretty interesting. I was like, oh, that's super cool. All right, let's get into it. So today we're going to check out, obviously, the markets as we always do. 27,388 for Bitcoin, 1729 for Ethereum. Not too bad overall. Let's see. Let's check out the daily rug poll. We have one. Nope. ARB still down 12.2%. What do we got? STX down 13.6%. I don't know if any of these coins matter to anybody. This is the top 100 or the top 200, just to check. HNT's up 14.8%. What the hell's HNT's? Anybody know? Totally kidding. Wish Network Bits was here for that. All right, Fear and Greed Index 64. Not too bad. Could be worse. Oh God, sorry. I just blinded you guys, I'm sure, because I blinded myself. They need a dark mode for this. This is awful. All right, 64. Greed. My camera's like gonna wash me out today. I don't know what's going on with this lighting here. Anyways, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, these are the top 10 coins. BNB, USD coin, XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin still in 8th, Lotto staked Ether, and Polygon. Let's see, what is that bubble chart? Said Ninja Kid. This is called Crypto Bubbles. It's kind of interesting. And if you go to, you know what Caspo was like in, oh there it is. Why does it go away now? So when you used to click on the year tab, Caspo was like this entire screen. One of the streams. It's kind of neat because you can like pull the bubbles around. It's honestly a huge waste of your time, but it's a cool site nonetheless. All right, so here we are with Altcoin Daily's video. This is what I want to watch with you guys this morning. I haven't had a chance yet to watch it, so I'm gonna like this. I will leave a link down in the description below to check this out. And yeah, let's see what they got to say. He's talking about inflation and all the BS going on in the market. If you guys have any questions, just add me in the chat and we will pause to discuss or whatever. All right, let's do it.
You do not have to see the car hit the wall to know that it's going 8,000 miles an hour, and it will hit the wall.
You have to watch this whole clip. We are headed for a disaster of epic proportion. This all according to Alex Chishick, Bitcoin OG, ex-Microsoft, ex-head of listing at OKCoin Exchange. And this all stems from the Federal Reserve's latest rate hike just the other day.
My colleagues and I are acutely aware that high inflation imposes significant hardship as it erodes purchasing power, especially for those least able to meet the higher costs of essentials like food, housing, and transportation. And we are strongly committed to returning inflation to our 2% objective. At today's meeting, the committee raised the target range for the federal funds rate by a quarter percentage point, bringing the target range to 4 3/4 to 5%. And we are continuing the process of significantly reducing our securities holdings.
The Fed continues to tighten, yet also increasing its balance sheet.
From the Federal Reserve, the balance sheet did rise again by $94 billion. How did it happen? There was less borrowing at the Fed's emergency discount window. However, the Fed's new lending facility, which it opened to provide additional liquidity to the banking system, that was up by nearly $42 billion from the prior week. So banks are liking this program where they can take their discounted treasuries and mortgage-backed securities and get loaned at par. So the Fed is still doing quantitative tightening, but it's also increasing the size of its balance sheet through this additional lending that's going out there.
So this all sounds almost contradictory. The Fed is still doing its quantitative tightening, yet also increasing the size of its balance sheet with its additional lending. Do you understand what a unique scenario this is and what this means for us as investors?
Yeah, explain. This isn't contradictory. The Fed tightening while also, in this case, expanding the balance sheet. How does that work?
Yeah, it's a little complicated to explain, a little complicated to understand.
Just see him freeze. He's like, yeah, it's because we have no idea what's happening.
But the idea is these are temporary measures that are designed to provide additional liquidity. Perfect. And they create reserves upon which banks won't be out there lending against. So these are temporary reserves that are out there, that some of which will go away, for example, when the banks are sold, in receivership are sold, that loan to the FDIC, that'll go away. And when this program runs out in a year's time, these reserves will also go away. So it's a temporary thing. The Fed is continuing to sell or allow its balance sheet to run off through quantitative tightening while providing some temporary liquidity that should not be inflationary, because it should not enhance economic activity in that time. Whether or not it has a downward impact on interest rates, that's another story.
Temporary measures designed to provide additional liquidity. They always say temporary. They always say this shouldn't be inflationary. We'll see. In the shorter term, we are headed for a disaster of epic proportion. Do you think? Barry Sternlight does, Starwood Capital chairman and CEO on government spending, Fed tightening, regional bank insolvency, and the economy hitting the wall.
You have a federal government that's spending.
Is it me or does this guy look like he has dentures in?
Money at a rate of $1.7 trillion. The biggest customer of the whole economy, the federal government across the hill, spending money as fast as they can. And they're not actually changing their spending patterns based on his interest rate raises. So the only place he's going to impact is private enterprise. And it's all their fault. There are 400 PhDs at the Federal Reserve, 400. This weekend, me and two of my colleagues went through 6 regional banks. And if you had to mark them to market, they're all insolvent. You do not have to see the car hit the wall to know that it's going 8,000 miles an hour, and it will hit the wall. It will most hit the wall. I've always focused with you.
When you say hit the wall, the car hit the wall, you mean the commercial real estate market with the office building?
He's like, I mean this whole country, lady. Come on.
The economy will have a hard landing. I mean that this He is using
she's preparing to get fired right now with this guy talking.
a steamroller to get the price of milk down 2 cents. He's to kill a small fly. And I think it's time we sort of change your conversation. There's good inflation and bad inflation. Good inflation is wage inflation. We should be having parties. He's limiting inflation to 2%. So the guy making $15 an hour is going to get a 30-cent raise. That is not what this country should celebrate. That's not what we should want.
So many people think that cryptocurrency is done. So many people think that cryptocurrency is going away. But if you look at the signs, crypto adoption and crypto integration into our daily lives is just beginning. This is what we do all the time on this channel, Altcoin Daily. Subscribe for daily videos.
Go check them out. I can't believe they got 1.3 million subs. That's
NASDAQ to launch crypto custody services for Bitcoin and Ethereum in 2023 to inaugurate their digital asset arm. NASDAQ is the latest traditional finance giant to pivot towards crypto, joining the ranks of Fidelity Investments, BNY Mellon, and BlackRock. Just goes to show you, if you're well connected with those in charge, you have no problem.
Can I ask a question quick? Does anybody know in the chat how, or like, how does this like highlight words and give him links? Because like if I go to this article, right, I'm not going to have that. Is it like a browser plugin or something? I'm just interested to know.
Like this. Cardano. We have reached 4 million ADA wallets on the Cardano blockchain. We are averaging between 2,000 to 3,000 new wallets daily. DEXs versus SEXs. Decentralized exchanges versus centralized exchange volume ratio is at an all-time high, up 25% since the FTX centralized exchange collapse. Even Solana reaches the highest number of daily transactions, 26.9 million, since October of 2022. Very bullish on the Ethereum.
Because like everything he goes to has it.
You
see what I mean? Like everything he has that highlighted stuff, and it's like every video, so it's got to be a plugin or something. Unless you're friggin' not joking, all set miner. So when you're on site, hit Control F, the keyword will highlight. Really? I don't believe you for some reason. All right, we'll try it after this. And if my computer crashes, I'm blaming it on you.
Ethereum scaling solution ZK Sync launches its alpha mainnet. We got another one. After 4 years of building and multiple milestones, ZK Sync is finally launching its Ethereum scaling solution to the public. After 4 years of hard work, the door of the ZK Sync era, Ethereum's first ZK EVM mainnet, is finally open to all. Congrats to the Matters Lab team, the ZK Sync era ecosystem, and the entire Ethereum community. The era of freedom is waiting for you. Speaking of Ethereum Layer 2s continuing to get bigger and better, by the way, guys, like the video if you're getting value, subscribe if you want to be part of daily crypto content.
You. Go check out Altcoin
Ethereum
Daily.
Layer 2s, Immutable X and Polygon Labs team up to expand its Web3 gaming ecosystem. Web3 gaming developer platform Immutable is forming a strategic partnership with blockchain protocol Polygon Labs to accelerate the development of Web3 gaming. According to a press release, Immutable will power its platform products using Polygon's zero-knowledge tech to simplify the process of onboarding game studios and developers in Web3. The alliance aims to provide an option for businesses, quote, that accelerate time to market and give them access to an ecosystem that will be one of the largest and most liquid for end users. Immutable president and co-founder says this: by combining the #1 Web3 gaming platform, Immutable, currently serving hundreds of game studios and millions of players, with Polygon's best-in-class ZK EVM tech, we are building an Ethereum-centric gaming ecosystem that is poised to take Web3 mainstream and bring digital ownership to millions of people around the world. Billions of dollars of skins are sold each year with no rights for players. We're changing that so that players are in control and ownership is the expectation.
Dude, anything that has to do with like crypto and gaming, like besides Neoxa, obviously, like because we've spoken to the devs and all that stuff, but all this development and emails that go around, all the scams attached to it, it makes me so freaking nervous. Let's see, real quick. Sold all my BTC 28.3, bought Flux at 59 cents. All this winning. Good for you, Solar Miner. That's awesome, buddy.
Very bullish on Bitcoin, very bullish on Ethereum and Ethereum Layer 2s, very bullish on gaming. Another example of gaming, Gala Games taking care of some bad players which caused their ecosystem harm. GameFi project Gala files a $28 million lawsuit against P Network. The lawsuit stems from a $1 million exploit in November 2022 that allegedly took place.
Hold on. Panda's awake for a morning stream. Panda, you're awake for a morning stream. What is happening? What's happening? Well, you know what? Good. I'm happy you're up early. I hope your kid woke you up, because mine woke me up about 5 times last night being sick from eating your ass, all right? Just saying. Back to it.
To a private key leak, Gala trying to make that situation as right as it can. We've been in a period of fear, uncertainty, and doubt for about 6 months now. Maybe even for the next 6 months, we'll continue being in that period of fear.
This video, by the way, the 1 million 1 year, was a useless video.
Uncertainty and doubt.
In my opinion.
Make no mistake about it, guys. Bitcoin, Ethereum, crypto is coming back with a vengeance stronger than ever. Get your tickets to Bitcoin 2023 Miami, May 18th.
Huge shout out to Altcoin Daily if you guys want to go to Bitcoin Miami and spend like $1 million to see what's going on over there. Have at it. All right. I didn't look up anything else, so what do you guys want to watch? Let's check out Crypto Love. Let's see what he's got this morning. See if he's charting anything, what he's saying about the market. Let's see. 56, my man. Appreciate you, buddy. Thanks for the $5 super chat. You didn't have to do that. $5 of ramen noodles. Haven't seen that in a while. Appreciate you, buddy.
Boom shock.
Oh, boom shakalaka. Let's see. Mr. Crypto Love. Let's check him out. And again, 56. Thank you so much. Appreciate you being a member, buddy. You're amazing. You didn't have to do that. Diablo 4 beta is actually out today, if anybody's wondering. Mr. 56 messaged me this morning. So it's free to play for the weekend, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So I think I'm going to go try it out and see how good it is. I don't game much anymore, but Diablo 2 has been the best game of all time for me personally. And I hope Diablo 4 holds up to it. All right, let's see what Crypto Love is saying over here on YouTube, and we'll go from there. Let's do it.
Laka is very bullish political doublespeak going to be bad or good news for Bitcoin. Stay tuned. So come join us on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove. Push that like button. Now today, fear and greed at 64, up from yesterday's 61. However, the overall market's down 2.5%. Bitcoin at 27,432, Ethereum at 1745, BNB at 323, XRP 44 cents, Cardano 35 cents, Polygon $1.10, Dogecoin 7 cents. And Bitcoin today still just battling with the upper bound of this ascending trend that Bitcoin has been in for quite a while. Even if you take a look over here at the volume profile, there's not that much volume right where we are. There definitely is above it at the $30,000 area. But again, not that much volume below it either until we get down to about $23,000. Now this recently, very, very interesting. In 2007, former President Bush stated economic fundamentals are good. Guess what? The next year, financial crisis followed. Well, now Biden has said the state of our economy is strong. Buckle up for what's around this time. Could this be an indicator of some political doublespeak? Maybe if they say it's good, that's just so that they can get their cash out of the system before it collapses. What does this mean for Bitcoin? Well, if we take a look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin has been a hedge against market collapses. When they don't trust their government's money, they put their money in Bitcoin. Now, where we are in the cycle right now, Bitcoin has just crossed above the realized price on the 90-day change. This gets rid of any noise in that, and we're about 72% of the way towards the halving as well. Now, historically, after Bitcoin reached these levels, look at parabolic gains were due for Bitcoin, including new all-time highs about a year and a half, maybe 2 years out from this point. So that could be very, very good news for Bitcoin. We have a lot of interesting cycles repeating for Bitcoin. If we take,
I feel like there's a lot of charts that look almost exactly the same, but again, he's a trader, so I like his take on it. And on top of it, he goes through like all Twitter people and TradingView people that I normally wouldn't look at, so I like to get his insight. And yes, we can check out who said it? What coin was it? Someone say Beam, if I'm not mistaken. Man, you guys are talking fast this morning. Let me see. Where is it? Someone said something about Beam, I think. Pumping, right? Oh, there it is. What's up with Beam today? Good pump, said Dom G. We'll check out pumped coins or coins that are pumping or most profitable today in a little bit.
A look on the weekly charts. This is the logarithmic MACD crossing the same point. Also, Bitcoin breaking through this MA ribbon at the same exact time. Interesting. And every time after this, massive bull run followed. Not only that, if we take a look at the monthly RSI bull crosses and mid tops, Last month, the Bitcoin cross to the monthly RSI told us the bull market was here at $24,000. Now the cross is confirmed, and the next stop is the RSI 66 line, where Bitcoin hits a temporary stop and forms mid-top. So you can see this happen in 2019, also here in 2016. These will just be corrections, but Bitcoin is just getting started. You can see these mid-tops correlated with mid-tops in Bitcoin price. So the mid-top, where is that going to be? Well, actually, if you stay tuned till the end, we have a few very likely predictions for where Bitcoin could be headed. Also, if we take a look at the Beer indicator, just crossing above the 20 monthly, you can see down here on the bottom. Historically, this was when Bitcoin price really started taking off. So if you look closely, after a long bear market, this indicated the shift from bear to bull. We could have an identical Bitcoin fractal to 2017, where we had...
Well, the halving's coming up next year, so what is it, like 400 days or so until the halving for Bitcoin? So typically, it usually inclines a little bit here. It might retrace a bit, and then after the halving, it kind of gears up and usually shoots up, because if it doesn't appreciate, the miners and stuff, they're going to start coming off the network, and then, you know, the whole thing collapses. So typically, over time, it gains price. And if you listen, can you just not disappoint one time? One Saturday, ask your wife. She's a lovely lady. I met her. She's great. She knows me. Just tell her you're going to join us tonight, all right? 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. What time is it for you now? 12 hours from now, all right? Or 9:45. 12 hours from now. Don't be late. All right, let's go back to it.
Above resistance, then false break below support. Then we came back above resistance, and then the bull run started. You can see.
You know what? I got your wife's number, so I'm just going to text her. Bitch should know.
Also down here taking a look at the RSI. So we can see right now where we are. False break above resistance, false break below support, came back above resistance.
Totally just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Taking off. Bitcoin has just broken some critical levels. The EMA 8 and 12 are crossed. The MA cross and RSI above the 50 at the same time. And after Bitcoin touched the 4-year trend line and the above criteria were met.
See, I was kidding. You're crossing the line because I know you're not. God damn it.
Bitcoin has seen the following rallies so far, indicated by these yellow dots. 2019, a 200% rally, and 2020, a 700% rally.
Can't take you anywhere.
As of right now, Bitcoin is only at 33%. Could just be the beginning of a massive, massive rally for Bitcoin. As a matter of fact, right now, despite the drop in price today, $30,000 is programmed for Bitcoin. The center of the monthly Bollinger Band acts like a magnet. The same way $300 and $6,500 were programmed, right now $30,000 is programmed for Bitcoin. And if that's not good enough for you, if we take a look at the Gann rule, based on this, according to WD Gann, markets can retrace 50% of a movement in half the time. So Bitcoin is getting closer and closer to a $42,000 Bitcoin by May, a short 2 months away. And if that's not good enough for you, how about this? If you remove the price bubbles up here and up here, Bitcoin pumps 2x over every year. It doubles every year. And we can take a look at this. $100 to $200 to $400 to $800, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024. So this perspective failed when Bitcoin dropped below $25,000 1 year ago. But now Bitcoin is back in the territory. It would be awesome if Bitcoin could start following this bullish 2x pattern again. How about that? 51 by next year, 102 by the year after that. It could potentially happen.
I think we'll break 100K next year. What do you guys think? I think it'll happen for sure. Shout out to Crypto Love. I'll put a link to this video down in the description below and in the live chat right now in case you guys are interested. He drops a video every day, so it makes my life 1,000 times easier. And Panda, goddammit, I wasn't paying attention to any of that video because of you. Go back to bed. I hope you feel better, buddy. Appreciate you for stopping by. All right. What do you guys got? What do you want to talk about? Oh, let's see. All right. Let's go to, pumping coins today. Someone said Beam. I don't know if this does, let's just do 24 hours. We'll see. I don't know. So this only does top 100, if I'm not mistaken. Crypto bubbles. Let's check that. I think this does. Where is Beam? Is it? Actually, no, we'll just check first. Let's type it in. We'll type it in and see how Beam's doing. 1364. No wonder it's not on the chart. 97%. Jesus. That's crazy. Go down to 2x. Holy hell. Dude, this is the same asshole that's pumping Aeon. Or pumped Aeon and then killed it. Watch. Watch. This is going to dump in like an hour. How much you want to bet? How much you guys want to bet this dumps? If you have Beam, friggin' sell it right now. That is such a friggin' sketchy... Hold on, let me see. Yeah, it's 24 hours, guys. That's insane. Dude, legit. This is like 10 minutes ago. Sell it all immediately. Not financial advice, but kind of. This is legit. Somebody, like, look at this, right? Let's go to Aeon real quick. Look what happened to Aeon the other day. And now on top of that, Aeon is literally off of like everything. You can't sell it, which is insane. Let me get rid of that. All right, right here, look at it. It's now at 1/10 of a penny. And look at this. Let's go to 7 days. Look at this. Boom. Someone friggin' pumps it all the way up to 4 cents. And then, you know, you can see right here, a little incline. Kind of tough to see, but see how like little incline there? That's probably others buying into it after they see it pump, and then guy takes all his money out. Same thing here, does it again. Everybody's buying in, sells it. All of it. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. That sucks, man. It's a shame. Let me scroll that back in. All right. Yeah, that sucks. So Beam it looks like it's going through the same thing. So I would not be shocked if that's gonna dump right back down. Because that's unheard of. Unless there's like a reason. Let's just see if there's any Beam news, I guess. Let me check. Beam crypto news, maybe. Let's see. I don't even know where to look. Current price of Beam. Let's see. 2019. Yeah, it's an old article. I don't think I'm gonna find anything relevant. I have no idea how to mine Beam. Tried it and my reward expired and burned. Oh my god. No, I'm serious though. I really feel like that's gonna be a pull. I feel like that's gonna get sold in like an hour. That's crazy though. How the hell did you catch that? Whoever caught that, how did you catch that? I'm very interested to know how you noticed that being pumped. Do you have it? Or maybe you have an alert set or something. It's just crazy. All right, anyways, let's see in the top 100 coins. I think that's how it does it. What's been pumping in the last hour? Well, I wouldn't say pumping, but Arbitrum. That's one, right? We'll get Arbitrum. That's ARB. That was the daily rug pull a couple days ago. It wasn't really. It was just an airdrop that got all sold. I just thought it was rug pull because I didn't know anything about it. We have Flare up 1.6%. Stacks, STX, this is 1.6%. Singularity Net, this is one of those AI coins, which is kind of taking things by storm. Conflux in 73. I don't remember that being in the top 100. It's up 1.3%. How's Conflux been doing over the past 30 days? Let's see. So, this is the coin that had something to do with SIM cards over in China, right, for phone development. So it went to, what's it at right now? 4 cents? 32 cents rather, sorry. So 32 cents. And yeah, I guess all time or peak, it got to 47, almost 50 cents. What was the all time high on this? $1.70. That was 2 years ago in 2021. Interesting. Conflux is a China coin. Yes, I guess so. As far as I know, Conflux has to do with SIM cards, right? Well, that's why it was pumping. Conflux news. Let's see. Yeah. See. There we go. Why is this? What is happening? Why is this all white? Oh my god. There we go. Okay, so let's see. Is it gonna say anything about Conflux? Oh, it just says it right here. First mover Asia blockchain enabled SIM card for crypto investors fuels Conflux growth, and then Bitcoin holds near 27.3 after the Fed's decision, which is interesting. Let me see if CoinDesk has anything. This is that guy, by the way, that old Silk Road video. I'll play it again at the end of the stream. I want to see if it demonetizes the stream or not. Let's see. What was I going to do? CoinDesk. CoinDesk. Shout out to them. I'll leave a link down in the description below for CoinDesk as well. Let's just see. Nice search. Oh, you know what? I'll just type in CoinDesk Conflux. Maybe they'll have something on it. A month ago. There we go. Let's watch this. So this is about Conflux here. I don't remember watching this. I don't know if we did or not, but let's see.
The Conflux token has spiked 60% as the blockchain integrated China's version of Instagram. So now 200 million users.
So this was a month ago, people. This isn't recent, right? This is a month ago, so just keep that in mind.
Of Little Red Book, which is the Chinese version of Instagram, will be able to display Conflux NFTs on their profiles. This marks another milestone in China's embrace of Web3. Earlier this month, we spoke about the country launching its first regulated platform for NFT trading, which was created by state-owned Chinese technology exchange. And we recently learned that the country had a big push for their CBDC during Lunar New Year. Adam, gonna toss this off to you. What do you make of this news and China's, it feels like a new embrace for the NFT world?
So the situation with China has always been an interesting one because culturally there's been a lot of interest and a lot of interest in the speculative parts of sort of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. That comes pretty directly into conflict, though, with the ruling government's priorities in terms of making sure that they keep capital flight from occurring. They keep the money that's made in China or that's coming back to China in China. That's something that's been very important to them. The country's had capital controls. It's what led to, at least we believe, it's what led to many of the sort of cryptocurrency bans and blockchain technology bans that we've seen over the years, most notably the mining one, I believe, was most recent. And then also there was one ban on exchange.
Talk about mining like that.
So NFTs coming back actually isn't that big of a surprise to me because there is really this hunger for this collectible, consumption type speculative marketplace. And NFTs don't really threaten, the government's control of money. And it's
all right. I'm gonna put a ball in the chat. I want to know what you guys think about NFTs. I've done this before, but do you think NFTs are a scam? NFTs a scam? Yes or no?
Less of an issue around capital flight. Honestly, I still don't think it's a great fit, but I think that there are limited options that they actually have in these types of situations. And you'll note that you said that it was a state-owned company that was the one behind the technology rolling this out. That has some implications behind it too that I don't really think we have enough information to understand at this point, but it's definitely something I'll be watching. Over to you.
I don't know if this is entirely worth watching because it was a month ago, like I said, but CoinDesk is awesome. They usually have not daily videos, but weekly videos, I would say. And they do fairly decent over there. Let's see if they have any new videos today. And if not, I want to show you guys, well, not today, but yesterday. If not, I want to show you guys that other guy's channel. I'll show you 2 other videos. I want to see if it gets demonetized on the channel, to be honest. Like this video for playing this guy's stuff right here. Right here. Let's see. Hold on. How many people we got here? 31 likes, 73 people. Hit that like button, please. Appreciate you. All right, let's see. So this guy right here, Chris Record Raps. Actually, that's the video I played, or one of the videos I played from this guy this morning when we first started. Check out. So he's got 2 other ones. I don't know if you guys want to listen to them. We can try them if you guys are interested. One promoted by celebrities and influencers. Definitely a scam or very shady. Yeah, I probably should have put some of them or something right in the poll, but I don't know. NFTs are just not for me, man. Not for me. Let's see. All right, you guys want to watch? You want to listen to another rap about, where is it? There's another one about crypto. He has the first one, so he's like a first and a second. Let's see. You guys interested in watching this? Where is the first one? Oh, right here. There it is. 5 years ago, this guy made this. Let's see what you guys think about it. Bitcoin. See what you guys think about this video. You ready? Oh, actually, you know what? I gotta change this. Hold on. Let's put this on the title below so you guys could see it. In case they peg me. Ready? Let's see what this guy does.
And things like it is the equivalent of the red pill.
This is 5 years ago. This guy made this rap.
This is a technology, it's a computing language, and I can build an app on it.
There's
Bitcoin the currency of the future?
Crypto gang, it's the game, big gang, alt gang, light gang, cash game, blockchain. Whoa, I don't really ever buy stocks, man. No. Haters wanna say I'm in a bubble, man. No. Chew them up like bubble gum. No. Just made a meal with my pocket change. No. Wreck about to go and join the huddle gang.
That was pretty funny. He just said pocket change.
Huddle gang, huddle gang, huddle gang. Crypto gang, it's the game, big gang, alt gang, light gang, cash game, blockchain. Whoa, I don't really ever buy stocks, man. No. Haters wanna say I'm in a bubble, man. No. Chew them up like bubble gum.
It's actually pretty good for 5 years ago.
With my pocket change. Wreck about to go and join the huddle gang. Huddle gang, huddle gang, huddle gang. Ethereum pays for my rent. Bitcoin pays for the vent. Litecoin pays for the jet. Bitcoin cash for the rest. Spent 30 racks on an ICO. What coin did you buy? I forgot, yo. Just got started last night, bro. And I'm already hooked like a pipe, though. Flipping the coin, making it grow, taking it slow, letting it go. Cash flow's growing, it's incredible to watch it flow. Stacking the cash, taking it home, making it fast. I'm on a roll. Little bit mo's all I ask for the bubble, though. Currently, learning about a new type of currency. Burning the dollar down like an emergency. Urgently, listen, my friends have been urging me. Coins have been surging, we're earning like surgency. We on a mission, man. Crypto maniac. Act like you don't really know about it. Stop that. Bitcoin blowing up like a bomb. Step back. Used to be a couple $100. Should've copped that. Blew up on a scene from the mind of a brainiac. Back in 2009, where the miners at? Silk Road, baby, it's gotta be anonymous. Satoshi blew up, now we on the map. Crypto gang, it's the game, big gang, alt gang, light gang, cash game, blockchain. Whoa, I don't really ever buy stocks, man. Haters wanna say I'm in a bubble, man. Chew them up like bubble gum. Just made a meal with my pocket change. Wreck about to go and join the huddle gang. Huddle gang, huddle gang, huddle gang. Everybody looking at me now and they're shocked now cause the price going down. Meanwhile, I'ma cop more at a discount with a smile cause I'm making money on the altcoins right now. I'ma double down like animal style sup now. People in the crowd, they watching me bubble up now. Open up a brand new Coinbase account and I'm buying everything from Ripple to Litecoin now. Hold on my principle, keep it real simple, then play with the house.
It's actually really good.
Investing in crypto, I'm chasing these coins like they chase to a mouse. I'm on the verge of a digital currency, merging technologies. This is the future, so obviously I'm all in. There's no bottom, we hodl in now. Hodl gang, hodl gang, hodl gang, hodl gang, hodl gang, hodl gang, hodl gang. Throw your hands in the air, man. If you down with the blockchain. I ain't got time for the haters, man. We about to grow to 1 million. Hodl gang, hodl gang, hodl gang. Tell me, are you down with the crypto? Hodl gang, hodl gang, hodl gang, hodl gang, hodl gang, hodl gang, hodl gang. Throw your hands in the air, man. If you down with the blockchain. I ain't got time for the haters, man. We about to grow to 1 million. Hodl gang, hodl gang, hodl gang. Tell me, are you down with the crypto?
It is the most powerful technology that the world has seen.
Oh, there's the man himself.
Since the invention of agriculture.
Bitcoin is exciting because it shows how cheap it can be. Bitcoin is better than currency.
As with most major technology shifts, let's think about what young people are doing. 32% of young people say they prefer Bitcoin to stocks. 42% of millennial males say they plan to purchase Bitcoin in the next 5 years.
Bitcoin
We're
breaks
barely
11,000
in the first inning right now.
Yo, it's so crazy. I'll put a link to this video right now in the chat. Dude, it was pretty good though, right? He has a second one too. It was like 3 years ago instead of 5. Mr. Rudputz showed me this last night. Appreciate you, buddy. I do want to see, actually, can we go back a little bit? Check out my dad's home cryptocurrency. I want to see. All right, so this is what he raps about. So his dad actually did mine crypto.
So what if you grab like Ethereum and Ethereum went up to like 10,000?
Exactly. That's the only way you're going to make any money. Yeah. If you're just talking about making money off of mining at the value of the coin that you're mining, you're never going to make more than a few hundred a month. But what you've done in the 10 months that it runs while it's paying itself off, what it's also doing is putting in your wallet whatever coin it's mining. At the end of those 10 months, coin that you mined for $350 per coin is now $550 per coin.
Where the hell was this guy when we,
some money?
You know,
the good example would be like you rent a house, the rent covers your mortgage. You essentially might make a couple $100 a month.
Oh look, he's got some 580s or something. Those look like MSI RX 580s. Or
the real
something along those lines.
Home. Over 20 years, you might have made hundreds of thousands of
dollars.
They
look like my MK2s.
1,000%. Houses don't.
Oh jeez, that got loud. Sorry guys.
What's up, record breakers? Chris Record here. Another day, another vlog, and I am chilling in Paradise Valley. I just got back here
dude's house is
from
sick.
California, where I had an amazing trip.
That's
got
so
to hang
weird.
out with my grandma, my aunt, my uncle, my family. Got to see my kids, my cousins, and so much more. And listen, there's still some more footage. And in today's vlog, we are going to talk about one of the hottest, most trending topics in the United States, in the world right now, and that is cryptocurrency, you guys.
We didn't clog the blockchain.
Bitcoin, Ethereum, blockchain, mining, creating wealth. We're going to talk about that. We're going to address it. And here's why. Because when I was in Santa Cruz, California, my dad showed me that he's actually got some setup going on where he's mining, not for Bitcoins, for altcoins, alternative coins.
Yeah, he was mining Ethereum, if I'm not mistaken.
Using something called the blockchain. And he has these little mining kits for as little as $1,600 getting these set up. And he's got a system, and it's very homemade. And I thought to myself, you know what? If he's willing to share this with me, I'm willing to share this with you. He puts together his little mining system, and then he has coolers going on. And all he does, he builds out these sort of passive income generating machines. Now, they don't generate that much money, you know, maybe like $40 a month or whatever it might be per machine you set up. But the kicker is that you're actually building up your own portfolio of coins. You get rewarded in alternative coins, kind of like...
This dude must have a bunch of dough. Do you guys want to continue to watch this? If you do, I'll keep watching it. I just wasn't sure if you guys are interested in this or not. But I want to play the other song he came up with as well.
Currency, if you will, the more of these transaction verifications you do. And we're going to get into it. But the idea is if you set up a whole bunch of these, they're kind of paying for themselves. Okay, the same way that if you buy solar for your house, you might buy all these solar panels and it's going to take a little while before it breaks even. But after it breaks even, it starts paying for itself.
I'm going to skip forward a little bit. I want to see if he just talks the whole time. Let's get to his dad's talking right here. If it'll work. I love the 5 year ago music. It's so funny.
Second rig, you can see in back there's like 6 fans that are pushing and you can feel the air coming out this way. I'm working on third rig. I'm experimenting with an enclosed case.
So this is like basically a homemade mining rig.
Don't mind the water damage.
That literally a 15-year-old could be at home and they're
using their parents' electricity.
This could have been me when I was a kid.
Yeah.
Oh, hey guys, check it out. Ready? This is mood lighting, by the way. Back in the the 80s and 90s. You just put a blanket over the light in the center of the room and
literally a 15-year-old could be at home and they're
using their parents' electricity.
This could have been me when I was a kid.
Yeah.
This is considered one mining rig.
It depends on what you buy. These GPUs can vary.
Oh, they are MSIs.
$200 to $1,000 a piece. So the ones I use are about $350 a piece.
That's
so $350 for one of these.
Hippie house lighting.
But then you also need the surrounding stuff to make it all work.
This would be like $1,600.
Maybe the 70s, yeah.
You can buy a cheap motherboard. You can buy a cheap CPU. Only run you like.
Dude, that's so cool. I didn't know this guy did videos and whatever, but he hasn't been around in a while. His last video was 2 years ago, man. Crazy. No live streams. Oh, maybe that was a different channel, actually. I don't even know. Anyways, let's go. Let's check out his, he has another video that's, or music video rather. That's all right. And then we'll listen to the other one and we'll get out of here. All right, here we go. Back to my crypto.
I've got to be honest there, it is hard not to watch that and deep down want to be in the hodl gang. Hodl gang, hodl gang, hodl gang.
It was like 3 years ago, this video.
Hodl, based on a misspelling of hold. This is a foundational principle. Don't sell when prices drop, instead hodl.
Bitcoin, brother, check it out, it's on discount. Market's down, time to open up a new account. Buy low, then hold, that's what I'm about. Crypto, baby, I'm talking about that new clout. Quick trades getting placed on the Coinbase. Needless to say, I'm in it for the long game. Straight lace, but them haters wanna throw shade. Let them hate while we floss on the blockchain. Sold Dash, then I picked up Monero. No cash, just crypto dinero. All coins, baby, you gotta be careful. Buy low, then let's hope it goes airborne. To the moon, dog, that's where it could be. Don't quit, don't pull out too early. But if you do, though, double down for Mo. Go big, dog, back to my crypto.
I like the first beat better, actually.
Back to my crypto.
And if you are thinking that these terms belong in a rap video, some crypto traders agree.
Throw your hands in the air, man. If you down with the crypto. Oh no, could it be? I just got the scoop on an altcoin, juicy. Swooped it up, got it cracking on the DL. Crypto tips, keep checking on my email. A couple
I love how he's rapping in the middle of ASICs.
Real
in
quick,
the
now
green
it's time
screen.
to hit the dealership. Oh yeah, I jumped in the Lambo. Going ham, call me Crypto Commando. I'm on a mission like Rambo. Keys in my wallet, stacking digital cash flow. We got coins and them haters got FOMO. Always blowing up my feed, but they don't know. They buy high, then sell when it gets low. I think it's time that we teach them how to hodl. First off, man, you gotta learn new slang. Silk Road set the path for the blockchain. Next came ICOs, they were hot, man. And true players run deep in the HODL gang. Get in the game, dog. Blockfolio. Track coins, track trades like a real pro. Buy low, start slow, now you're on a roll. Time to go back to my crypto.
We can't sit here and assume that because
I want somebody in the community to make a new rap.
that it will always get to be the
If you're good at rapping, you got to make a new one. This is 2 years ago.
doing new things.
I hope he comes back and makes another one.
Does mean that new things have risks, and we need to address the risks, and we need to be careful in doing that.
The first one is so much better in my opinion, but all right. You guys have any last or final questions before we get out of here? I'm going to be back later on tonight, 9:45 Eastern Standard Time for Misfit Mining Saturday Night Live. I want to play this on the way out, but I don't want to, where is it? Right here, Old Silk Road. This one is so good. He has 145,000 views 3 years ago. He needs way more views on this video. It's insane. Oh, wait, let me send that to Magic Lucky in the chat. Sorry, buddy. This one right here. This one right here you wanted. I'll just put a link to his channel again down in the description below at the end of this. But the crypto cover when? Crypto cover. Not me, man. I ain't rapping. One of you guys can. Somebody else needs to. Reminds me of rapper Little Dicky. It really does, right? That's the first thing I thought of actually when I heard some of his songs, but it wasn't like, he's not like, you know, I guess not that out there, right? But let's see. I make beats, not lyrics. Automatic beats. You should make a beat. I could probably make some lyrics, but I'm not going to rap it. All right, let's see. Let's listen to this. Hopefully I catch you guys tonight rather, and then tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. I'm going to try to go live again if I can, if I don't die. But either way, hopefully you guys enjoy this. Let me put this back on the banner at the bottom. Oh, let me see. Just in case. I'm just trying to see if this actually does copyright me, guys. Because if it does, then obviously I can't play him again on stream, but it is what it is. Yes, and why? Yes, why? And Hawk should do one. Hawk should do one, actually. I forgot he does raps. Or he used to rap, actually. That's hysterical. You know what? I should get together with him and make one. It'd be so funny. Oh my god, it'd be so funny. All right, let's listen to this and get the hell out of here. Hopefully you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later on tonight, 9:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time with Mining King, Hot Crypto, and Mr. Max Voltage. Hopefully he's not too tired. Nap before it, Max, all right? You heard me. I know you did. All right, guys, let's get back to it. Have a good day. I'll catch you guys later on. Let's listen to this on the way out. Peace, peace.
Yeah, I wish I could roll back time to that old Silk Road. I wanna hold till I can't no more. I'm gonna add crypto to my portfolio. I wanna hold till I can't no more. I got my crypto coming back soon. I'm back in the black too. Suck here in the bag. Now I'm feeling like a tycoon. Riding on a Lambo. You can live with FOMO. I've been through the dips. When it's low, I was buying more. Now I got my money on the blockchain. HODL gang, HODL gang, HODL gang. Can't nobody stop my campaign. HODL gang, HODL gang, HODL gang. I'ma buy some Bitcoin, hold it like the big boys. Ride it to the moon on my Lambo or my Rolls Royce. Now I got these altcoins, they don't make the big noise, but they make the big rips. Call me crypto cowboy. Now I got my money on the blockchain. HODL gang, HODL gang, HODL gang. Can't nobody stop my campaign. HODL gang, HODL gang, HODL gang. Yeah, wish I could roll back time to that old Silk Road. I wanna hold till I can't no more. I'm gonna add crypto to my portfolio. I wanna hold till I can't no more. Back backyard garage, solar powered area. Spent a lot of money trying to mine that Ethereum. Boy, I got a habit, I'ma bounce right back. And I'm addicted, I become a cryptomaniac. You see, I got no stocks and I got no gold. I'm all in, all I do is I buy crypto. Wish I could roll back time to that old Silk Road. I wanna hodl till I can't no more. Wish I could roll back time to that old Silk Road. I wanna hodl till I can't no more. I'm gonna add crypto to my portfolio. I wanna hodl till I can't no more.
Have a good day, guys. Peace.